Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever the case may be for you. I hope you're doing well. This is Gerard at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location. And I've been getting a lot of calls about dump trucks this year. We've been experiencing a sort of a shortage in dump truck inventory because there's a lot of projects going on, and we don't get that many dump trucks in when it's busy. Folks are holding on to their trade-ins and trying to make some money. But here we've got a 1997 Freightliner Classic, really well maintained pre-emission truck. Freightliner Classic quad axle, obviously quad axle dump truck. It's a pre-emission unit. It's got Cummins N14 engine in it, 425 horsepower. It's got a 1,227,000 miles life on it. However, it's had a documented rebuild about 400,000 miles ago. Really well maintained pre-emission truck with a legendary engine, Cummins N14. Anyone who knows about the Cummins N14 engine will tell you it is a beast and highly sought after. So documented rebuild. We've got paperwork on the rebuild about 400,000 miles ago. Should be a lot of life left in it. 223 wheelbase. Obviously this is an aluminum bed. It's a 16, sorry, I may have my specs wrong. This may be an 18-foot bed, but give me a call if you're interested and I'll clarify that for you. My office number is 317-677-9234. This is Gerard at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location. And again, this is a 1997, very well-maintained Freightliner Classic pre-emission quad axle dump truck with a Cummins N14 engine, 10-speed Eaton Fuller manual shift transmission, and roughly 400,000 miles on a documented rebuild. Give me a shout, 317-677-9234. Thanks for watching.